Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on installing the UniPlot license server. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process, from downloading the necessary software to configuring both the server and user systems. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully operational UniPlot license server setup, allowing seamless license management across your network. Let's get started. First, head over to uniplot.com and navigate to the download section. Let's do that. Here you will find three essential software packages. One is for the server system, one is for the PC user, and of course UniPlot. Make sure to download each package to the appropriate system. Once you have downloaded Top Expert License Server, this file, the 5.2.3 at the moment, go to the installation folder. In this folder, you will find a set of tools that have been installed. For the moment, we'll focus on the LMX config tool. I will run it. It will generate a set of information on your computer and click on Save to File. You can save this file in license info. I will save it here. And send this file to support@uniplot.com. Add this file as an attachment and send the mail. We will quickly come back to you with the license file generated. In this case, I have placed the license file directly where the license server is installed. You can see it here. And what you have to do is then to modify the LMX serve config file, informing where the license file is. So I open this file. I go to the license file part. I will uncomment the line, copy the UNC path of the license file and place it here. I save that. Warning, do not put any quote before or after the file name. Save the file and run the lmxserve.exe. You can run it in admin mode, it's a better way to do. You should see this kind of black window where it confirms that the server is ready to serve, and you should not have any error. If there is, please contact us. Once this is done, we can confirm that everything is working fine by running the LMX config tool. We run it first to get the host ID. Now we go to Create License Server and we check that we really have a license that is being available. We call the local host or the IP address of the computer where it is installed and perform. And now we can see that I have 3 licenses and no license used for the moment. You have a license server ready to use. To ensure that your license server is accessible, make sure that the required port is not blocked by your firewall, in this case 6200. To do so, please check with your IT to be sure that they can do that for you. Let's now switch to the user computer. On the user computer, you should have a setup for UniPlot and the licensing software. So first you install UniPlot and then you install the licensing system. Once licensing is installed, run it in admin mode. Once open, you will be able to go to Configuration, indicate a server. So here you enter the IP address of the license server and the port. You restart and you can now see that I have a valid UniPlot license. And you can start UniPlot. The Top Expert License Manager will also allow you to borrow license, so it's a pretty useful feature to use if you know that you will be out of your network for a few days. So there are different ways to borrow a license. First one is to borrow today. It will be available for you until the end of the day, but not available on the server. You can see that it has been borrowed because you can see the word borrow here. If you think you will not need it, then just click here and return borrow because every borrowed license is not available on the server. And then you can borrow for several days using this button where you can set either a number of hours, days, or a specific date. For IT department who want to deploy UniPlot automatically, there is a way to set up this information, the configuration one, automatically. You would have to go in the UniPlot installation folder, program folder, and edit the topexpertrelease.ini. This file and place the information of the IP or host server name and port and save. That's how you can properly set up the server information. And that's it. You have successfully installed and configured the UniPlot license server, set up user system, and even learned how to borrow license for offline use. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@uniplot.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorial and updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy plotting!